let's find that treasure!
Yeah!
Wait! There's treasure down here!
Yeah!
My grandpappy's treasure is... a stapler! Wait, a stapler? That isn't treasure.
It is to me. I've been looking all over for that stapler. It's my favorite one. Thank you.
Well, I found the treasure of the lost stapler. But it looks like my grandpappy's treasure isn't here.
No worries, Brick. Let's head back to the think tank. I'm sure we'll think of another idea.
Goodbye, Nina. Knit knots. Oh, and a word of advice. Never try to cross a river by walking on hippos.
Good to know.